Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm here at APEX 2015 and I'm joined by Scott on the Fuji booth. Scott, thanks for joining me. Good to talk to you. Give me a quick whirl round of what's on the booth and then we can talk about what people have been asking for this week.
Fuji's showing all of our latest in surface mount and die placing technology. The machine right behind us is our latest in the NXT generation of equipment. It's our third generation. The fastest, most accurate, smallest component capabilities ever that we've built. This machine right out of the box is guaranteed to place 03015s and the new 0250125 components.
0250125.
And we could place those at a rate of 35,000 an hour, which is our guaranteed speed, without a deration at all.
Wow.
Now, that is at 25 micron accuracy on this machine for chips. If we want to go a little faster, if we're willing to accept the 38 micron accuracy, we can get up to 37.5 with that same 24 nozzle revolver head.
Impressive. Okay. And
it's also equipped, in this case, it's also equipped with our newest placement head called the Dynahead.
Okay.
The Dynahead means a dynamic tool exchange, and it allows a single module to have available a 12 nozzle rotary tool, which can place at 25,000 parts an hour, down to 01005, a mid-range head, which can place larger mid-range components like SOICs, large tantalums, caps, things like that, at about 10,000 parts an hour, and large parts up to 74 millimeters square, and long, thin connectors using a variety of rotary nozzles, mechanical chucks, and specialty nozzles, up to 35 by 160 millimeters.
wow. Okay.
So it also has a glue tool available to it as well.
Okay.
So it's a true all-in-one head, generally used in the middle of the machine.
Yeah.
And then on the end we have things like tray units and odd form heads and jet dispensing heads and things like that available as well.
Okay. And what's the response been to that at the show? Has that been getting people's interest?
Spectacular. Yeah. The machine is state-of-the-art. I think we're leading the way, or very close, with the 0201 technology.
Yeah.
We also have our more high-mix, low-volume machines to either side of us here.
Yeah.
All available, all the same heads, all the same intelligent feeders, and all the same options.
Yeah, and that flexibility, that high mix plays really well in the US market. What about the Mexican market? There's quite a lot of Mexican visitors here. Lots going on in that market at the moment. What are they looking for?
Mexico is always our higher volume applications. A lot of automotive in Mexico these days.
Yeah.
The NXT is our most popular by far machine in Mexico. We're here in the States. We sell more of the AMX2 series, the higher mix, lower volume machines, where we put feeders on both the front and the rear to save space. Larger board size. Some of these machines will go up as high as 29 by 30.5 inches.
Yeah. And you guys have been doing well in South America and the Brazilian market as well.
Yes,
you seem to be one of the leaders down there.
Worldwide, Fuji is in every forefront.
Yeah. So that's important. So what else? You've got some software tools and some other things around the back. What else has been really sparking interest and getting people talking at the show?
There's two more things that are of a great interest here. We're showing our newest software release for a little bit later this summer called Nexum, and it basically is a factory control software that helps us with every aspect of the programming and operation and maintenance. It can help combine our CAD and BOMs and create our programs, gives instructions to the warehouse to pick parts, instructions to the setup areas, all the way through it works on the plan, do, see concept. So we get everything ready, we build the production, and then we monitor that production and recommend suggestions and things to finish that up. And then finally, in the very back of our booth, we have a whole array of auto tools. The auto tools are designed to minimize the amount of labor we need to run the machines. And it significantly reduces. Some of these machines can reduce 3 or 5, even 5 operators to 1 by automation. We have tools that load feeders, self-loading feeders, spliceless feeders, and then we have head maintenance and feeder maintenance tools that what they add mainly is a complete, consistent, repeatable quality to everything you do with very, very minimal training.
Yeah, and that's important. Training's important because there's a high turnover of staff, but also in these high-cost environments, keeping those costs down. Last question. Every time I've stopped by, Scott, you've been busy, it looks like, with clients. How has the show been? Are you happy with what's gone on this week?
Very, very pleased with the show this week. Attendance has been great. I haven't had numbers from IPC yet. I don't know how many are in the building, but I know our leads are up significantly from last year. There's a lot of excitement around. A lot of people are talking about expanding. And so it looks like it's going to be a really great 2015.
Yeah, I heard that people are here with shopping lists rather than just to look at stuff. So that's great. Scott, thanks for your time. Good to see you, and congratulations on the show. Thank you.